A gentle force begins to sway. Older pain and ancient fear start dissolving, drawing near. Not just release of what was done, but healing reaching everyone through threads of time and memory, returning all to unity. Forgiveness moves beyond the mind, beyond the laws of humankind. It searches out the hidden scar and frees the heart from what we are. No weight remains, no blame survives. The veil is lifted from our eyes. What once was broken, cold, or lost emerges cleansed without a cost. A power neither soft nor weak, but absolute in what we see. It strips illusions from the soul and makes the scattered pieces whole. Through this grace, the past is cleared, the anger soothed, the sorrow steered. A timeless peace begins to rise, where former judgments fall and die. Collective wounds begin to fade. Old karmic ties are gently laid to rest within a larger plan, where separation cannot stand. This force is vast, it does not bend. It brings beginning through the end, a shining truth within the heart, where unity no longer splits apart. Reconciliation fills the air, a sense of presence everywhere. Forgiveness flows through every part and heals the fractures